112 Amazing Facts About Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei, Part 2 of 2. '61. Ali Khamenei has been supportive of scientific progress in Iran. 62. In 2004, Ali Khamenei said that the country's progress is dependent on investment in the field of science and technology. 63. Ali Khamenei said that attaching a high status to scholars and scientists in society would help talents to flourish and science and technology to become domesticated, thus ensuring the country's progress and development. '64. Ali Khamenei has direct responsibility for foreign policy, which cannot be conducted without his direct involvement and approval. 65. Ali Khamenei condemned the Saudi Arabian-led intervention in Yemen and compared Saudi Arabia to Israel. 66. Ali Khamenei rejected U.S. foreign policy since the Islamic Revolution, insisted the United States is hated in the world and should end its interference in other countries. '67. On the 21st of March 2011, Ali Khamenei accused the West of coming after Libyan oil. 68. In October 2014, Ali Khamenei said the US and the UK created ISIS as a tool to fight Iran and create insecurity in the region. 69. On the 19th of July 2015, while speaking at a mosque in Tehran, Ali Khamenei said to his supporters that the policies of the United States in the region were 180 degrees opposed to Iran's political and religious movement. '70. Ali Khamenei said in regards to the 2015 nuclear deal, "Even after this deal, our policy towards the arrogant US will not change." 71. In March 2020, Ali Khamenei warned against a United States offer of aid to fight COVID-19 because it could be a way to hurt Iran by further spreading the disease. 72. Ali Khamenei suggested the U.S. had developed a special variety of the virus based on Iranian genetic information they have gathered, although he provided no evidence for the theory. '73. Ali Khamenei explained, "There are enemies who are demons, and there are enemies who are humans, and they help one another." 74. In March 2022, Ali Khamenei accused the United States of creating the conflict surrounding the Russo-Ukrainian war. 75. Ali Khamenei is an opponent of the State of Israel and Zionism and has been criticized for making threats against Israel and for anti-Semitic rhetoric. '76. In 2014, a tweet from an account attributed to Ali Khamenei claimed that there was no cure for Israel but its destruction. 77. In 2013, Ali Khamenei accused France of kneeling before Israel while saying that Israel was led by people unworthy of the title human. '78. Nevertheless, according to anti-regime change activist Abbas Edelat, in 2005, Ali Khamenei responded to a remark by then-President Ahmadinejad, which had been widely translated as saying that the regime occupying Jerusalem should be wiped off the map by saying that the Islamic Republic has never threatened and will never threaten any country. '79. On the 10th of September 2015, in a speech about Israel after agreement on the nuclear program of Iran, Ali Khamenei made a remark Israel will not exist in 25 years. 80. On the 21st of February 2017, at the 6th International Conference in support of the Palestinian Intifada, Ali Khamenei regarded the withdrawal of Israel from South Lebanon in 2000 and from Gaza in 2005 as to major achievements so far. '81. In September 2020, Ali Khamenei condemned the peace agreement between Israel and the United Arab Emirates and charged UAE with betraying the Islamic world, the Arab countries, and Palestine. 82. Ali Khamenei stated that the normalization will be only temporary, but the UAE will forever have to bear the shame regarding the deal. 83. In October 2023, Ali Khamenei praised the Hamas attack on Israel, but denied Iran's involvement. '84. Ali Khamenei condemned Israel's bombing of the Gaza Strip in retaliation for the Hamas attack and accused Israel of committing genocide against the Palestinian people in Gaza. 85. On Holocaust Memorial Day, the 27th of January 2016, Ali Khamenei posted a Holocaust-denying video on his official website. 86. In December 2019, Ali Khamenei praised Gharati and said that Gharati's conviction for Holocaust denial violated freedom of speech. '87. Ali Khamenei wrote a second letter to the students enrolled at U.S. universities on the 30th of May 2024. 88. Ali Khamenei referred to these students as a branch of the resistance front and predicted their victory with the permission of God. 89. However, Ali Khamenei himself has insisted human rights are a fundamental principle underlying Islamic teachings that precedes Western concern for human rights by many centuries. '90. Ali Khamenei has attacked Western powers who have criticized the rights record of the Islamic Republic for hypocrisy, saying that these countries economically oppress people in third world countries and support despots and dictators. 91. In 2016, Ali Khamenei, who outlined the elections guidelines in line with Article 110 of Iran's constitution, asked to maximize the amount of transparency in elections in Iran using modern technologies. '92. In 2000, Ali Khamenei sent a letter to the Iranian parliament forbidding the legislature from debating a revision of the Iranian press law to allow more freedom. 93. In July 2007, Ali Khamenei criticized Iranian women's rights activists and the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. 94. Ali Khamenei believes that hijab is aimed at honoring women. '95. Ali Khamenei is married to Mansura Koyaste Bagherzada, with whom he has 6 children. For sons and 2 daughters, 96. Ali Khamenei has 3 brothers, including Mohammed Khamenei and Hadi Khamenei. 97. Robert Tate of the Daily Telegraph commented that Ali Khamenei is renowned for a Spartan lifestyle. '98. Dexter Filkins describes Ali Khamenei as presenting himself as an ascetic, dressing and eating simply. 99. On the 9th of September 2014, Ali Khamenei underwent prostate surgery in what his doctors described in state news media as a routine operation. 100. In September 2022, it was reported that Ali Khamenei had undergone surgery for bowel obstruction and had to cancel a number of meetings. '101. In late 1996, following a fatwa by Ali Khamenei stating that music education corrupts the minds of young children and is against Islam, many music schools were closed and music instruction to children under the age of 16 was banned by public establishments. 102. Ali Khamenei has expressed interest in studying novels and stories since childhood and studied various novels of the world. 103. Ali Khamenei was fascinated by Jean-Paul Sartre and Bertrand Russell in his youth. '104. Ali Khamenei praised the works of Mikhail Sholokhov, Alexei Konstantinovich Tolstoy, Honoré de Balzac, and Michel Zavako. 105. Ali Khamenei said that Victor Hugo's Les Miserables is the best novel that has been written in history. 106. Ali Khamenei is fluent in Arabic in addition to his native languages, Persian and Azerbaijani. 1. Ali Khamenei has translated several books into Persian from Arabic, including the works of the Egyptian Islamic theoretician Sayyid Qutb. 108. In February 2011, Ali Khamenei supported the Egyptian uprising against their government, describing it as Islamic awakening instead of Arab Spring. 109. Ali Khamenei introduced himself as your brother in religion, while praising the explosion of sacred anger. 110. Later in Islamic Awakening conferences held in Tehran, Ali Khamenei praised the Muslim youths of Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Yemen, and Bahrain for what he described as Islamic Awakening. 111. Ali Khamenei paralleled these events with Islamic revolution in Iran during his Nowruz oration in 2011. 112. Ali Khamenei wrote an open letter to American students in 2024, which garnered a harsh U.S. reaction. 'Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.